how you can use Instagram filters on gallery photos and videos. If you're wondering if you can use the Instagram filters on your photos from your camera roll, then I'm just going to show you how to do it. It's a very quick and easy process, so let's begin. First, open your Instagram app and then open your story settings or your story camera. And once you're here, you can see there are a lot of filters down here, and you can choose your filters from here. For example, this one, if you like this one, you can just save the filter like by clicking on this bookmark icon right here. And as you can see now, it's saved. And if you do this to a few more filters, you can save them to use later. And if you want to find any filter, you can scroll all the way to the right and browse for new filters. So let's say you can see the trending filters right now. Choose the filters and then you can tap on this bookmark icon to save it. You can also find all of your saved filters right here. Now let's see how you can add filters to your photos. So open your gallery by tapping right here and select your picture. Alright, so once you have selected your picture, what you can do is click on this little star icon right here to open the filters menu. And if you scroll right here, as you can see, all of the saved filters are right here. So these ones that I have saved just now, you can see the bookmark right icon is selected, so like this. And you can choose the filter according to your choice, like so, and just tap on this shutter button and your filters would be applied to your photo. And you can simply click on this to post to your story and your story will be posted. And that's how you can easily use Instagram filters on your photos and videos from Camera Roll. I hope you found the video helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.